Hello and welcome to the fourth lesson in this section. In this lesson, we will learn why and we will know how and where we can use and why we have to use WordPress for our next project. Actually, we have a lot of reasons why we have to use and where we can use WordPress. Let me give you some of these reasons. If we go to the WordPress website, wordpress.com, the company, and we scroll down, we found that there is an information about WordPress that told us that WordPress powers 25% of the internet, and that's completely true. If we check the statistics in the web, and we found that actually it's run more than 25% of the internet websites. So it's really awesome tool that we can use in our project. Let me give you another thing. If we go to www.wordpress.com/notable-users, we will find the big companies that use WordPress for that project. For example, we found that New York Times, CNN, Forbes, Reuters, and Maclean's use WordPress. The big companies like UPS, eBay, Sony, and Best Buy use also, and of course General Motors use WordPress for at least one of their projects. And we have a bunch of websites that use WordPress. For example, TechCrunch and Mashable, Buzz Machine, and a lot of WordPress. And to give you just proof, we see that TechCrunch that use WordPress. I'm using the Weblaser. Let me check, and you see that it uses WordPress, CMS, and blog. I will give you how you can install these plugin in your Chrome or Chromium web server, or your web browser. So why we use WordPress? Actually, WordPress, if you go to wordpress.org, we will find thousands of updated plugins, themes, a lot of support, really a lot of community support that help us to solve any problems we face in our process of developing our website or our project. So where we can find, or where we can use WordPress. Technically, you can use WordPress in any kind of websites you want: blog, magazine, advertisement website, a platform, multiple websites, anything you want to develop as a project, you can use WordPress for. How? Simply with using the thousands of plugins you find in WordPress.org. Actually, WordPress.org provide thousands, really thousands of updated plugins that can solve any problem from any kind you think. If you couldn't find the plugin you want or the plugin you need for your website or your project, you can develop it by yourself, or just ask a developer to do it for you. I think that the developers of WordPress plugins develop, I think that 99% of all the plugins you need, or the project you want to apply. So in the next section, I will teach you, or I will show you how the first step to securing your WordPress website. I hope I will see you in the next section. See you there.